we're just basically opening up to create more space. So there was, in the back corner, there was toilets. You could see the toilets and stuff there, and like a kitchen area here. It's basically for the dentist surgery, which was all on the ground floor out the front. But yeah, that's all been cleared out. Everything's been moved, and it just made sense to open up the space down here. We were going down about another metre from where we're standing now, metre 1.2, I think, from where we're standing. We were putting in a subfloor down there. So we've made an opening in the wall. Initially, we were getting 8-yard skips dropped on the street outside. We'll put the conveyor out directly over the skip and just get it filled. Two guys now can operate these. Yeah, 2 guys can easily operate these to load it and just to supervise, basically. Light, easy to manoeuvre. It's easy to get them about. Yeah. Honestly, I can't see how we do without them. If you know what I mean, it'd just be so slow.